Hello and welcome to this video about advanced JavaScript features and logics. JavaScript is a powerful programming language that has grown significantly in recent years, becoming a critical tool for web developers. In this video, we will explore some of the advanced features of JavaScript that can help developers write more efficient and maintainable code. One of the best features of JavaScript to write clean code is to use closures. Closures are an advanced feature of JavaScript that allows functions to retain access to the variables in their lexical environment, even after the function has returned. This can be useful for creating private variables and functions, and for implementing advanced techniques such as currying. Now, currying in JavaScript is a process in functional programming in which you can transform a function with multiple arguments into a sequence of nesting functions. It returns a new function that expects the next argument inline. Now, here is a live example of closure implementation for better understanding. In this example, a closure is created by returning the inner function from the outer function. The inner function retains access to the outer variable even after outer has returned. Another best feature of generators, which is very underrated as most developers don't use this. Generators are another advanced feature of JavaScript that allows developers to write asynchronous code that looks synchronous. A generator is a function that can be paused and resumed at any point, allowing developers to write code that appears to execute synchronously. Now, here is a live example implementation of generator functions. In this example, a generator function is created using the function syntax. The function is then executed using the next method, which pauses the function at each yield statement. Another feature of JavaScript is promises, which is a very useful feature of JavaScript when it comes to handling asynchronous code. Promises are a core feature of modern JavaScript, allowing developers to write asynchronous code in a more readable and maintainable way. A promise is an object that represents a value that may not be available yet, but will be resolved at some point in the future. Now, here is a live example implementation of promises. In this example, a promise is created using the promise constructor. The promise is then resolved or rejected depending on the outcome of the fetch request. The then and catch methods are used to handle the resolved and rejected states of the promise. Another feature of JavaScript is object destructuring. Object destructuring is a useful feature of JavaScript that allows developers to extract values from an object and assign them to variables. Now, here is a live example of object destructuring. In this example, object destructuring is used to assign the name, age, and city properties of the person object to individual variables. In conclusion, JavaScript is a powerful and versatile programming language that offers a wide range of advanced features and logics. These features, such as closures, generators, promises, and object destructuring, can help developers write more efficient and maintainable code. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.